Hey guys, it's raining where I am today, so I thought of making something really homey. And this is what I call a mincemeat egg tofu. Let's get started. Oh, before that, some branding. Now I'm using egg tofu because egg tofu is silky, smooth, eggy, and look, I'm undressing my egg tofu. How sexy is that? Now just slice them up carefully because they are very delicate. Put it on a plate and then set them aside. We're going to move on with the mushrooms. I'm using just white button mushrooms. You can use any type of mushroom, it's fine. Cut that and then put it aside as well. Next is the carrot. Let me tell you guys, this is one of the smallest carrots I could ever find in a supermarket. It's so bizarre. Anyways, I'm just slicing them up and then chopping them into like cubes, tiny little cubes, and mix them with the peas that I've got. Those are just frozen peas. If you can't get fresh peas, just use fresh peas. Now move the chopping board aside and we're gonna bring our turkey mince. I'm using turkey mince. You can use any kind of mince. You can use a pork mince or chicken mince or even beef mince. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Mak Tok signature chili paste and half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Give this a good mix and get another bowl, and that's where you crack some eggs. We're gonna use 3 eggs over here, add a bit of salt, season with a bit of pepper as well, and then we're just gonna poke the egg yolks and give it a good whisk. Put this aside and let's get cooking. Prepare a plate at the side and let's get frying. I'm gonna add the oil in. I'm just using sunflower oil. You can use any type of oil, just don't use your face oil. And now we're just gently putting in the egg tofu. Remember, gently. They are very delicate, just like my face. Anyways, then this is the trick. Use a spatula and a spoon to flip and turn the egg tofu. Pan fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes and then just scoop it up and place it on a plate. How beautiful is that? For now. Then move this away. We don't need the excess oil, just pour it away, then wipe it off. Then I realized, oh, I need some oil, so I pour back a bit of oil. How smart is that? Now I'm going to throw in all my minced meat and then give this a good stir. And after that, I'm going to add in the mushrooms, give this a good stir again. Add a bit of water. I'm just adding about a tablespoon of water. And then there goes my veg. Give this a good stir again before adding in some brown sugar. I'm using some dark brown sugar. Give this a good stir and create a well in the middle and add in the eggs. Now slowly and gently stir it until it thickens up, and then you can mix them all the way through with the minced meat. Once it's done, I'm gonna scoop up a minced meat and then just pour it on top of my egg tofu, and voila, that is it. A very homey dish. Doesn't look as beautiful as the ones that we've made before, but it tastes equally as delicious. The egg tofu is just so smooth, eggy, and silky. You'll love it. Have a go, guys, and let me know how it goes. Bye!